Imagine holding the power to completely reimagine any photo right there on your phone. Those everyday selfies, the ones you almost forgot about, cherished family pics, capturing moments that mean the world to you. Even those adorable snapshots of your dog, your furry best friend. Now, picture turning them into stunning art with just one simple command. No Photoshop, no complicated software to learn, and absolutely no design skills are required. It's just you and AI working together to create something amazing. With the combined power of ChatGPT and DALL-E 3, the possibilities are endless. You can transform photos instantly, seeing your vision come to life in the blink of an eye. And the best part? No tech expertise is needed at all. Just upload your chosen image. Simply describe what you want to see, and then just sit back and let the AI do the rest of the work for you. Forgotten snapshots become vibrant portraits, full of life and detail, or transform them into breathtaking cinematic landscapes. It's all based on your creative direction, your unique vision. You're the art director, guiding the process, and the AI is your tireless assistant, ready to bring your ideas to life, delivering professional-grade results in seconds, right at your fingertips. This isn't just simple editing, it's a total transformation, a complete reimagining of your photos. And it all starts with your imagination, your creative spark. Ready to dive in and try it for yourself? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to transform your photos using the power of AI. It's easier than you might think. First, pick any photo you'd like to enhance or reimagine. You can select it directly from your device's photo gallery or file browser. Next, open ChatGPT. Make sure you're using a version with image capabilities. This is usually available with ChatGPT Plus, so you might need a subscription. Click the paperclip icon. This will allow you to upload your chosen photo directly into the chat. Now it's time to craft your prompt. Type something like this. Using this photo as a base, create a new photorealistic image that enhances the original. You can also specify improvements, like with better lighting and overall image quality. To ensure it still looks like you, add "keep my features the same." The AI will then begin to generate a polished, professional-looking version of your photo. This process is remarkably fast, often completed in under a minute. If the initial result isn't quite what you envisioned, don't worry. Simply reply with specific tweaks you'd like to see. For example, try a warmer light to give it a more inviting feel, or make it more dramatic by increasing the contrast. You can continue to iterate and refine the image, making adjustments until it's absolutely perfect and meets your expectations. This is all achieved through simple conversational prompts and feedback. Remember, you're in complete control of the creative process. There are no technical barriers or complicated software to learn. It's all about unleashing your creativity and exploring the possibilities. Once you've got the basics down and you're feeling comfortable with the fundamental tools, it's time to really unleash your creativity. Experiment with different styles and explore various moods. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what you think is possible. Want those cozy vibes that make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside? Simply ask for warm golden hour lighting. It's the perfect way to capture that magical sun-kissed glow. Need a professional corporate look that exudes confidence and competence? Try specifying a crisp, professional tone. It'll give you that polished, ready-for-business appearance. But why stop there? Push further. Upload your photo and type the prompt, "Recreate this as a dramatic black and white portrait." You get a timeless and impactful image, or go wild and say, "Turn me into a Pixar character." It's a fun and whimsical way to transform your photo. Use it for special occasions. Enhance those precious wedding photos, making them even more stunning and memorable. Create professional headshots that make a lasting impression, or design unique holiday cards that will stand out from the crowd. The key is to clearly describe the feeling or style you want. Do you want it to feel cinematic, like a scene from your favorite movie? Perhaps you're aiming for a vintage aesthetic, reminiscent of a bygone era. Or maybe you prefer a minimalist approach, with clean lines and simple elegance. Or a vibrant and colorful image that pops with energy. The more creative and specific your prompt, the more unique and personalized your results will be. Don't settle for basic or ordinary. Mix different styles together, play around with different effects, and see what incredible transformations are possible. You'll be absolutely amazed at what you can create and achieve, all starting from a single, simple photo. Now imagine your photos in motion. AI can animate images, add a breeze to hair, a subtle blink, creating living photos called cinemagraphs. Transform grainy snapshots into vibrant scenes or landscapes into epic vistas. Share your creations online, print them, or make personalized gifts. This tech is for everyone. No experience needed, just your ideas. Try wild prompts commands in your ChatGPT input box. Turn your pet into royalty or your car into a sci-fi machine. The only limit is your imagination. Let it wander far and wild. Just grab a photo, open your ChatGPT, and start creating. The future of creativity is here. Go make something amazing. This is the Technocrat signing off for today. See you soon.